Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you po.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you po.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir.
Lipat apartment, pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Lipat apartment,
Pahakot, pasakay.
pasakay.
Thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun.
Apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you po, thank you po.
Lipat bahay, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you, ma.
Pahakot pasakay.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, ate.
Sa mga lipat bahay, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you.
Sa mga lipat apartment dyan, pahakot, pasakay.
Thank you, ma.
Sa mga maglilipat, bahay, PM nyo lang si Kuya.
Bakit pasakay? Thank you, thank you.
Lipat apartment, pahakot, pasakay.
Yun, thank you po.
Pahakot pasakay.
Ayan, thank you, sir.
Pahakot, pasakay. Legit. Pag gusto nyo mag-pahakot, message nyo sa kuya.
Yun, thank you, ma'am.
Hello, good morning po. Pahakot pasabay na po kayo kay sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Sa mga gustong magpahakot at pasakay, PM lang kayo sa page nila kuya.
Okay, thank you, ate.
Thank you, Master William. Pahakot, pasakay na kayo.
Yun, thank you.
Pahakot, pasakay.
Ayan, thank you, sir.
Pahakot pasakay.
Yun, thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Salamat.